In this tutorial, we'll show how resources are distributed to tasks. We'll start with register inquiry task and use the Manage Resourcing menu. Now we can see that the organizational model specified by the resource service contains no participant roles. For this reason, I need to have the organizational model defined first. If you have not done that, please watch the tutorial on how resources are defined in YAWL. However, as we already have defined our resources, what we need to do is to go to Resource Service Connection Settings and log in into your resource service. We do that with admin username and password YAWL with capital letters. Now we can see that if we select Manage Resourcing for the task, we'll get to Manage Resourcing wizard. And there are different options which can be selected. I'll select a system for offering a work item to this task to a number of participants is to be done by the system. I also select that allocating to work item for this task to one of the offered participants is to be done by the user, and the same for starting. And then I proceed to the next step in the wizard. Then I allocate this task to the row customer service. We can see here that all the rows we have defined appears in the row list and all the participants in the participant list. When I have selected my row, I continue to next, and there are some different options whether different filters will be applied. I simply go to the next step, and there are a number of options also which can be selected, and I allow a participant to suspend a started work item to this task. I also allow the participant to reallocate the work item. This is just an example, and then I go to finish. In similar way, we can go through all the tasks and select the resource settings we need to have for them. Check 1 will be performed by specialist A, and then I can go to finish directly. Check 2 will be performed by specialist B and go to finish directly. Send approval to customer will be performed by someone in the customer service and finish. And here for send rejection to customer, it will be performed from someone in the customer service, and this time I'd like to select the participant who performed the register inquiry for the task and then finish. When this is done, I save the specification, and now my simple YAWL model is completely defined. I can also validate my specification, and I can see that no design time engine validation problems were found in the specification. This means that I'm now able to run the specification in the YAWL engine. This will be demonstrated in the next tutorial.